has been so very nice. Father would start to worry, Mother would be there at the door, but really I'd better scurry. Maybe just a few minutes more.
The record's on while I pour.
I don't know the words.
It doesn't matter, baby.
I'll
Hold your hand
just
like ice.
Look at my lifelong sorrow.
Think of my lifelong. It's supposed to be my line. Think of my lifelong sorrow. If you caught pneumonia and died.
Baby, don't hold out. Ah, but it's cold.
Cold
outside. Baby, it's
outside.
cold.
Cold outside. It's got to be at least 70 degrees out here. Yay.